Hello. So, one of the many, many, many questions I am asked are about prepositions. Well, there's a lot to it when it comes to prepositions. So, I'm actually not going to do everything in one video because you'll fall asleep on me. Too much for one video. So, I'm going to break it up. Prepositions are very important to understand, not just for conversation, but for our writing, our test preparation for the TOEFL. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, understanding prepositions. First of all, prepositions, they give us information about the direction, location, and time and place. And they link, which means connect our nouns, pronouns, or noun phrases to other parts of the sentence. So they bring everything together. And also, they can answer questions. For example, where? The book is on the table. When? We will meet at 5 p.m. How? She wrote the letter with a pen. So those are just some examples. Today, we're going to talk about one type of preposition, but just going forward, just know the different types are prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of direction and movement. Don't need to worry about all of that now because we're not going over everything today. But we are going over prepositions of place. And for example, in. In is used to describe something that is inside another thing. So this is where it's placed. It's in. The ball is in the box. In. Another preposition of place we use on. This is when we're talking about something that is on top of another thing. The food is on the table. My phone, if I can balance, the phone is on my head. When it's on top of something, we use the word on. Under. This is when we're talking about something that is below something else. Look at the picture. The man is under the tree. And of course, below is similar to under. We can call that a synonym. My phone is under my chin. All right. In front of. My hands are in front of me. And this is used to describe something that is in the front part of something else, like my hands. They're in front of me. In the picture, the teacher is in front of the school. My phone is in front of me. So that's to show the place of where something is in front. Behind. Behind me, you can see the picture of the elephants. And it's used to describe something that is at the back of another thing. If you look at the picture, the sun is behind the clouds. All right, next to. This is used to describe something that is beside another thing. So look at that horse. It's next to the man. The man is next to the horse. So beside is similar to next to. So you can either use next to or beside. They are synonyms. So next to me, I can't really see it in the camera, is another chair. Next to me is my phone. Beside my head is my phone. All right. Over. This is like above. When something is over us, it's above. So the hat is over the boy's head. My hand is over my head. All right. So here's some prepositions of place you can ask yourself just for practice. Where is your phone right now? My phone is on my head. And you can also describe the arrangement of furniture in your living room. For example, the couch is next to the window. What is something under your bed or inside your closet? For example, my shoes are under the bed. And also, can you describe your favorite cafe or restaurant using in, on, next to, or at? For example, the coffee machine is in the corner of the shop. And what's the difference between on and an? Well, let's talk about it. The book is on the table. So here's my table. Book is on it. The book is in the bag. So if I have a bag, the book is inside the bag. So I hope that's helpful. Again, we're just talking about prepositions of place today. On another video, we'll go over different set of prepositions. All right, have a good time. See you next time.